Hey y'all, it's Devania, and today I'm coming to you with a baking video. If you want to learn how to bake, but you don't want to take all the extra steps that your grandma used to make, then you might want to keep watching. And please do not show this to your grandma. So you really only need like 4 ingredients. We're going to start off with the Pillsbury pie crust I got from Publix for a little over $5. And then I got 2 cans of cherry filling from Aldi's for $2.59 each. So I did spray the base of my baking pan with Pam baking spray off camera. And then I've already put in one of my pie crust. And now I'm just going to add in 1 can of the cherries and see how much more of the second can I need. Now I'm just going to spread the cherries out nice and even. The last thing I want is a lumpy pie. I'm trying my best to record everything, but I'm a multitasker with the baby. I'm literally nursing as I record this voiceover. But as you can see, my little helper is trying to help me with the most dangerous part, so just ignore that. So I'm using about 3/4 of my second can of cherries. I don't want to do too much just because I really don't want to clean up any sticky cherry syrup spills in my oven, so I'm making sure I do a good amount where it doesn't overflow. Now it's time to put on your top coat of pie crust. I don't really think there's a right or wrong way to do this, so long as you make the pie crust of the base connect to the top coat of pie crust. Like, just make sure they're stuck together so that the filling doesn't come out. If you're interested in like baking on a serious level, I would say to really get in your decorative bag on this one. So this step I think is pretty important. I'm assuming bakers traditionally put some type of cut or decoration in the center of the pie so that it doesn't like burst or something. I don't know. If you're a decorator or a baker in general, let me know the reason that we do this. So now I'm just spreading a little almond milk on my crust so that my sugar will stick. I'm only doing this step just because the pie crust has no flavor to me. Like, the only sweet thing on here is going to be the filling. So I prefer to do this. It doesn't have to be almond milk. You could use whatever milk is in your fridge. So now I'm setting my oven to 350 degrees, and online it says to bake for 40 to 45 minutes. I personally like a darker crust, so I'm gonna go for 50. And there you have it, guys, a quote-unquote homemade hot steamy cherry pie with just a few ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed all the way to the end, I really appreciate you. My husband loved this recipe, can't get enough of it. Hopefully we can make some more tasty treats in the future together. Have a great day.